Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best drones for photographers available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. DJI Mini 2 Drone. 3-axis gimbal with 4K camera. A 12MP camera in the sky delivers content guaranteed to impress. Along with 4K/30fps video and a 3-axis motorized gimbal, Mini 2 ensures stunning image quality that is consistently smooth no matter how adventurous your piloting gets. Pack light, fly free. At less than 249 g, it weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. Compact and convenient, this small drone is your ideal travel companion, transforming how you capture your favorite memories. Powerful performance. With a max battery life of 31 minutes, DJI Mini 2 grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot. Mini 2 can resist level 5 winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. 4x zoom. There's no need to get so close for your dream shot. 4x digital zoom makes it safer and more convenient when transitioning between shots of varying distance and composition. OcuSync 2.0 video transmission. Mini 2 supports up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to fly farther and see clearer. Number 4. DJI Air 2S Drone. Environment sensing. DJI Air 2s has the ability to perceive its environment in 4 directions, up, down, forward, and backward, allowing it to actively avoid obstacles, even in complex scenarios and at high speeds. 1-inch image sensor. Equipped with a 1-inch image sensor and large 2.4 micrometers pixels, DJI Air 2s is capable of 5.4K/30fps and 4K/60fps video. 7.5 miles max video transmission. DJI Air 2s features DJI's most advanced O3 image transmission technology, giving you an ultra-smooth, clear, and reliable image feed every time you fly. 1 billion colors. The 10-bit Blog-M color profile can record up to 1 billion colors while retaining all the little details that make footage pop. The center of attention. Focus Track features Spotlight 2.0, Active Track 4.0, and Point of Interest 3.0. Making it a breeze for DJI Air 2s to follow or circle your subject. Master Shots. The next evolution of Quick Shots, Master Shots is an advanced intelligent feature that gives users the best shots in any location with just a tap. Number 3. PowerVision PowerEgg Drone. Professional quality of images. 4K/60fps UHD camera produces professional quality video and 12 megapixel images in both JPEG and RAW formats. Patented sync voice technology picks up high-fidelity sound using the mobile phone's microphone or a wireless microphone and automatically synchronizes the audio with the footage. Voice sync technology. Patented sync voice technology picks up high-fidelity sound using the mobile phone's microphone or a wireless microphone and automatically synchronizes the audio with the footage. AI face recognition technology delivers accurate, efficient, multi-angle, remote face recognition and subject lock-on when following the subject. A multi-function device that can also be used as an autonomous personal AI camera or a handheld 3-axis AI camera. Number 2. Autel Evo Lite Plus Drone. Skylink video transmission. Fly farther while maintaining crisp, clear visuals with Autel Skylink, our strongest image transmission system yet, which offers a transmission range of 7.4 miles, transmission quality of 2.7K/30fps, and superior anti-interference capabilities, all while relaying stunning HD video. An adjustable aperture. Flex your creativity with an adjustable aperture from f/2.8 f/11, giving you the ability to alter exposure and depth of field in imaginative ways that show off your unique artistic style. Discover the world by moonlight. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS image sensor and Autel's intelligent moonlight algorithm, the Evo Lite Plus can capture crisp, vibrant details at night with low noise even when the ISO is cranked up high. Ultra-wide-angle obstacle avoidance. Fly faster, safer, and more confidently than ever before with Autel's new ultra-wide-angle obstacle avoidance cameras. The sensors give the Evo Light a front field of view of 150 degrees, eliminating more blind spots than traditional systems while reducing the number of cameras needed. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Fly Drone. 46 minutes of flight time. Stay in the air longer and capture more with a breathtaking max flight time of 46 minutes. This lets you get all the shots you want on just a single battery. Imaging above everything. With a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, the sensor provides a 12.8 stop dynamic range that retains more details in highlights and shadows, upgrading your work to a professional level. Explore and capture more. The DJI Mavic 3 drone offers a 15-kilometer max transmission range, which means you can fly farther to explore and capture more. And with the O3 Plus transmission system, live feeds are smooth and stable. Fly safer. DJI Mavic 3 drone with camera is equipped with advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing. This lets you fly confidently and safely wherever you are. Smart return to home. With a new advanced RTH system, Mavic 3 camera drone can return to its home point on a fast, safe, and optimized route. Whether activated by low battery or the pilot, getting the quadcopter drone back to you during flight is easier than ever. If you want to buy this product, please check the comment or description link.